Hey, let me show you display comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G and the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G and this is the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. On both devices, I'm going to for sure set the same quality. So I'm gonna go for advanced, and let's see actually if both devices support the same quality. Yeah, we can set it even for 2K HDR. There we go. Now we are going to start from the beginning, and it's actually the same brightness of the both devices. Take a look. The highest possible brightness. You know what, I have to also check for the one thing, because this screen is like, this difference in the screens is like really big, and I just wonder if I set up the same screen color, so just to get the reliable comparison. Yeah, there's the screen mode vivid. Okay, on the, as you can see on the both, there's like vivid mode. Everything is the same. So yeah, just the screen on the A55 looks much better. Okay, so that's all for this video. As you can see, the screen on the Galaxy A55 5G looks definitely better. It's just much brighter. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.